Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Memang nak kali air ni nak ni. Mira. Go back! Police go back! Go back! 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 Go back! Police go out! Go out! Go out! Police go out! Go out! Go out!
Kat menang miet ke surga Samla Pule ke Nehu, kenang Sawa jam, bandawa bagi Pulit kini bermikno na campus Jam University. Ki Samla Pule ke perta dak baong, mikno Pulit mikno, nang takilaong police go back. Kini ki Samla Pule ke penpau dak baong, baka Nehu ke dega jaka Pule ki kena, baka dei na kebentar ki Samla Pule, bat kamdei na kebentar ki Pulit. Kemudian lawan sewu noingkai Profesor Ken Pham Sing Nong Kinri banyak keren bagi magistro bakam bahasa tia bakin pha shongsa iki Pulit Nehu nama berkelab bermi penban ke AK ke bamsu tenat bat ladami ke jingan pen ibor kan kata bahai ke Pule buthi ke Samla Pule ke jinglom ke Samla Pule phalau ke Nehu haduk mentaru ke dangai beteng bat kelakran syairu bakin empat ya peranang ni ke baki Pulit kimpat mi na phalau jong ke Nehu.
Let us negotiate in a very peaceful dialogue. We have taken a peaceful approach. What more do you want from us? What more do you want from us? Are you trying to provoke us to take other measures? Please, respect the mandate of the Vice Chancellor in charge and go out now. Go out now. There is no more negotiation. If you want to negotiate, you go to this negotiation.
I have no voice here. I'm speaking as a concerned teacher.
I'm listening to you, sir.
Just think about the consequences of what all this will happen. Please. I mean, what happened was a very unfortunate incident, but we were prepared to solve it within the university community. There is no need for all of this.
Yes.
It's creating a fear psychosis.
True. Yes.
And I'm very sure, that if you keep your people here, there might be a counter reaction that classes will not be open. Yes. Classes will not come. Classes. The university will not be normalized unless you remove these people. Then what will happen? Think about the long-term consequences of everything. I'm just speaking as a concerned teacher. That's all. Yeah. Yes.
4, 5, 6 more hours? No. Or you want to wait till tomorrow morning? No. You want to go home? Yes. What shall we do with them then? They cannot give us any response, any answer that they will leave. We have been waiting for more than 3 hours. Do you guys want to go home? Shall we chase them or we will wait for the orders? Chase them. Let them chase them. Do you agree that we will chase them? Yes. They forcefully enter our campus, our home, and roaming the whole campus. So, do you guys feel safe? Do you guys agree with that? No. So, shall we chase them? Yes. Okay. Fine then. Cylinder, the stove, they have brought their blankets, their sleeping bags, their carpets, everything. They want to stay here. Do you guys accept them to stay here? No! Do you feel safe that they will stay here and roam the whole campus? No! So please, we will shout, we will chase them out that this campus is for the students of Nehu, not for the police, not for the SFN, not for the CRPF also. So you can go look over there, that truck, black truck there. That's they are carrying all their stuff there. They want to stay here. So please cooperate with us, bear with us until we chase them out. This cannot be happen. We will never allow them to stay here in our campus. Do you guys agree? Yes. Police go back! Go back! Go back! CRPF go back! Go back! Go back! CRPF go back! Go back! Go back! Go back! Go back! What's wrong, ma'am? What's wrong in asking the permission? You move, then what was that from? Carrying everything. What, ma'am? If you want to stay,
Then ma'am, please follow this order.
if they had the intention to just come, then what is that truck carrying so many blankets, food packets? Why are they there? Students, can you still wait? No! No! Will you wait for a few more hours? No! Will you wait till tomorrow morning? No! Do you want that truck to go out now? Yes! 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 The bus to go out? Yes! God! You cannot wait. You cannot wait. What is that truck? If you are not planning to stay, then why you have to bring all this stuff here?